Mr. Lucky Enehita Inegbenehi, MD, Edo State Waste Management Board. We salute you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah, my people, una go remember what Ishele last month on the 15th, on the 1st of March, when it be say some yama, some dirty things where they happen for Edo, some bodies come together and say make them remove all these yama things from the streets under the Okpebholo administration. When I pass Yama today, I see and say, these people will come together, will form this group to remove these people. In one of them, when he lead them to make sure say the things happen clean well. March 1st, they cause the carry waka go country home near Stella Abasajo, one popular bar where they call First Bar. They can't tidy all that place, clean that place well. We be say today. Edo people, they jubilate with Okpebholo government. And in concern one put out for so many things when they do all this while, concerning the dirty way that they clear for road, and the way some people they take right into their hands, they create where they put dirty where not supposed to be. He go chook man today. He go put man for some areas where we say some people never really know waiting then they do. Chook man for the kind of work where you don't work since when you come power.
Okay. As I come office, I first see only one ROT. Now we get inside this.
What be ROT?
ROT now be tipper.
Okay.
That ROT do is not good. So first of all, we can start the repair. We can drop the engine. We can raise the engine. So many issues because they say for the past 2 years they don't service the motor. So they don't service the tipper. And they can come be like that. They come many issues. As I see them, I say no. I consider I go complete or say the office like this. So not to work. We won't make those the cleaners, but only the ROT went there. So, you know the work, you know good. We don't drop and down. Do this in change the racing. It's overall of engine. Do everything. But still, the way the system did, you know go free work. Because okay, make up for paper, I can go back. Put them for paper, put them for writing, send them. By the grace of God, He can't do it for us sharp. He can't grant that for us. He can't give us 3 brand new payloaders, 2 compactors, and 2 4-in-1 tipper, brand new. He can't give us. So I should just give us. That same day when they just do intervention, when they just do commissioning. As the job commissioner finish, the first place when I deploy those trucks, those machines go na Agbo Road and Bini Auchi Road. Bini Agbo Road and Bini Auchi Road. You see one popular place for Bini Agbo Road where the center don't become dump site.
Yes.
Around if you pass the crash choosing now, from that crash choosing front, you go down some more, go reach Nipco after bypass. The center of the place don't become dump site. I can put one payloader and one tipper for them. Again, you see Bini Auchi Road from bypass, they go Army checking point, they go that Weka. She said the center, grass don't grow for inside, sand don't plenty for the side. Because I can't deploy one payloader and one tipper go there again. So the work can start. With the work since that day they come. By the grace of God, we don't finish that center of the road for Bini Agbo Road. As we can't finish, we can't observe say from that crash choosing that they go Ramat, the sides are plenty there. The road can't because they don't turn to one lane for one side. Meanwhile, na double na 2 lane before na 2 did the 2 side. So we can't scrape all the sand again from that crash choosing go reach Ramat. The same thing for the other side. And so we take scrape both sides. Can't go meet don't come out those dirty, which is that crash choosing. And so we take free the whole of Bini Agbo Road from Ramat to Nipco. That is after bypass. The same thing we do for Bini Auchi Road. We don't clear that place. We go end for Army checking point. That place where they call Weka. We can't carry them and reach there. We can't enter this even this golf course. If you don't go like this now, we want to go, we enter Agbo. See, sand don't bring the road, you don't cut part of the road. We don't scrape that place too. We don't do intervention. New Bini, Inegbenehi. Because when we come, most of this market, the heap just there everywhere. So now we enter. begin to do intervention, because normally all those markets don't be our work. Now local government, August and the Yekis, and then they charge. But you know, say anything happen aboard, everybody can shout for. So we come so August okay, no wahala. We carry on intervention, because we want to make the state be cleanest, healthiest, and the most environmentally friendly. To achieve that thing, markets must be inside. We're not going to say we do only the roads where court say we face. We're not going to touch market. So we just say we don't want make them pay money to the pay to, but we can't do intervention for them. So make I quickly give you a brief story how horrible the market. Because if you go now, it's just stable. That heap when they did the same again. How they do? So just come. The contractor when they did, I can't call and say come. You're supposed to do every day evacuation for this, but you know they do. I can't tell me say so. Can you just tell me the truth? Say money when the market they pay, cannot do every day evacuation. It can only do like 3 times a week. I say no. Yeah, the board will assist you. Do 4 times a week. Do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the board will do help the market, kind of palliative, like subsidy. So maybe we cut the plenty wahala come on for your hand. So but make sure they do 4 times a week. But we, as a board, will assist the market with 3 times free a week. So that make the everyday evacuation for work for Inegbenehi. And so comfortably settle that one. New Benin to the first, because they say the contractor when the market they pay for inside the market, you know they work. As not the all the dirty for inside the New Benin, all they come out for the media. You see so? Yes. So that one too, we constantly intervene. We constantly bring the same package we do for years. So that one said we're going to do every day. You see so we can fit resolve that one. As I talk to you, so our tipper and payloader, he did Oluku. So Oluku, so we don't the near bypass all the area there. The thief full all the side. Yeah. We don't bow all that area. We estimate 2 weeks for that place. So we start last week Friday. No, we start on Thursday. Sorry, on Thursday. So today na day 4 for that place. We tend to finish early next week. Maybe next week, yes, early next week. We tend to finish for that place. So the whole Luku, Ubo, as all the area with the work on as we talk to you. So there's St. Savior long way. They start from 3rd junction. They go. We don't declare they go. In fact, we don't first finish. We can observe, say, as we clear everything finish here, people, all those landlords, they can't begin to see their gutter. They come out for the road. Even my people come to complain, say, they don't want to come out for this side. I say, no. They help the state. That is the truth. That gutter, they see so. They help us so. Because rainy season starts now, we know we have, say, flood day, flood day, St. Savior. So, I can't even tell my people, someone they encourage it. May they know what, we go back, go back. May they just bring and come out for the side. May they don't put them for the side of their house. May they put them on the side of the road. Oh, that our payloader will just skip up, load them inside. So now I make us see the sensitive as I speak to you so. Because we don't almost finish, but we have to quickly go back there again to remove the new ones when them the sit. So now so we take with the work as I talk to you so for St. Savior. So even inside here, around the exotic, that road where you face a treasury house, we don't see clear that place. So last week here, we don't see go intervene for Adesua. You see that Adesua road, you get when you go reach sand don't cover one side of the road. Yeah, you're right. We don't clear and come out. And that thing they call dwarf wall. By the grace of God.
That place me they come. Okay. You give them another name.
Okay.
Many people don't know that.
They don't know the name. So first of all, this issue of dwarf wall, now here will start. Okay. You see so we clear out from that.
If you use hand describe them, IDP for compound, so that make people know what they talk about.
You get one small building.
Whether they build come out.
It won't be like the Joe house. They go just build a small, like 4 coach. They come put small gate for the 4. They go build 5 house finish. They will come build one small. This be like the Joe house. Popularly known as Joe 4. They come they pack the thing inside and see what they happen now. As they put the so, if you full, they will see the put. They don't even they say, okay, make them move the regular, make them call that the waste manager make it evacuator. And you know, say dirty, they attract dirty. Anyway, so they pass that she say dirty, then they put here, you go put you.
Yes.
You say so, you go put you. So not be even the owner of the houses or hotels, not be the owners, come they put dirty again. You say so, any person you pass, you go carry their own. For night, they'll kind of go put journal. So we could say no. This kind of thing happen for our beloved state now. If you go other states, you don't go see that kind of thing. If you go outside the country, I never see that for before. Now now this Benin now I come and say they what they call dwarf wall for your nice structure. You don't put that for the front. They can tell they can't spoil the fire house when they build. So we can't really issue later. We send circular. That was last month.
Yeah.
On the 3rd of February, now we'll give notice. Say, we beg now that dwarf for Mokuna remover. In fact, we don't use the shout for radio since December. Say we know one dwarf for any person when they listen to one of the sister station FM. They can shout for them say make una remove that thing when they call dwarf for. You know will help the state, especially Jaro. Jaro when you're supposed to they well everywhere clean. When they put a small building for the front, they call the pallet inside. So that will taste. Now we come back on. So we can't start from Yama. That Yama Junction so near the popular hotel when they did this side. When those people they start for the front before. That 4 junction. Hip food there. I go meet you on Saturday. Say come on. Make una come out this dirty. Now I open my boot. Anyway, they go and they carry sack my motor. I can't bring about 20 now carry conda. I can't give I can't carry give the people when did there. One aboki when they say plantain and apple, banana and apple.
Yes. Fruit,
yes, generally yes, fruit. I tell her say, Oga, you when they do want the same for the other side. What can I use this side? What I gather this dirty for inside this side? You know good when they sell food. This kind of day here, now no good now. Dirty plenty you. I will send the way for you. Maybe you put that for me. Maybe people see the dirty one you eat for where they sell fruit and where they sell food. As I never complain. Now one man when they decide, come tell me say, make it tell me the truth. They don't detect this for since. Say even then when they here, they don't buy food for the super hand because of this thing. And apart from that one, the woman if you look under her table, you will see different lala on the car, dirty. Cut that for inside there. So now the bank tell me say they don't buy for the book for the man because of this the way the place they will. They tell her but she not here. Say maybe we help them. Come tell her. We go call the woman tell her say because he say not believe him. We call the mention people. Ha. This kind of thing for inside Jaro. I can say I beg una, muna come out. I can go. On Sunday I go back there again. They just all the sound I just give them. They just do one side there. They don't answer me. I can come back on Monday because me the way I do my work. If I don't focus on the place now. And the make sure I get results for there.
Yes.
Man, I cannot lose focus. On Sunday, I go back there, everything did there. That's okay. We will come back on Monday. I can't give them come out. On Monday, now we go back there again. On Monday, this is the day. Now I begin shout. What is this? Our compliance department can come. Our roving team. I can't see me there. Talk to all the people when they do again because I don't talk. These people they annoy me. What is all this? I dash in a circle when I take Canada is for inside do. I don't answer me. So that on Monday too, we can't do sanitation for them. Create awareness. I can say, hoping if I come on Thursday, on Tuesday, everybody don't clean. My brother, I go back there on Tuesday. The same thing I did. Now I can carry food. Now I can call a Boston. Say, when I come, see what they happen here. Now he said, I say, you don't say that. Say, this is what everybody will holler. They don't want to hear anything. No. Now we can't see. Now, I saw just talking to myself. Come call the task force. Head of task, state, task force head. DG migration. Now, so if we come team up together, come tell our guys, see, these people, they want to turn the GRO into something they so. When we clean up this place. Since they don't want to clean up for them, we help them good one. Now quickly call that same Tuesday so now call 2 payloader, sorry 2 tipper, that 4 in 1 and they come. Now my people made the mobile carry the tea. Now so they clear everything for that place. When they go viral so they start to Now we take clear and go this side, come down this side, go up. So take clear the whole place. So now give results, give better witty to the see for the soul. So these three agencies, the Waste Management Board, the Task Force Edo State, then DG Migration, and the PSRO, which is led by Eddie Busto. Now 4 of us and come join together and say, my beg, Moko help these people clean up this place. Make the place for fine. At least this thing where they happen here not too much. So they clear everywhere. Now we tell them say, we don't want to see them here again. In an old GRO, not be just old GRO. You never take 6 minutes drive from government house. No, I never seen for anywhere before. Now we continue clear the whole place. So after that one, the following day now we go at this one. We said at this one get that door for plenty too. And so we still go again. Teaching the sensitize them say this circular don't go out since 3rd of February. Before 3rd of February, we don't they sing for FM. Say we're gonna come out this thing. So okay, no wahala, we don't come now, we're gonna come out. And true, if you open the thing, some of those who are for the thing don't there for up to 1 year. You go see these videos. Say, not be to the team where they put this year, not be even there. They just live and they cause environmental hazard. All kinds of yama and inside there. So now we can't take clear at this one, go reach the ending. So that's if you go at this one now, all the front of houses don't fine. All those small structure when they park the inside, we say, no, that is why again. Today, now we enter Ikpopa. If you go now, we don't clear all these small dwarf. If you go there now, you don't go see any building where those small thing they do so.
Small house for
the tea. You don't go see again. We don't clear everything because once you open up, we clear. We don't leave it for them. Some people use the iron. They do around. Some use block. Now just short one, about 4 feet. Then 4 feet length, width and length. Oh, it's all 4 feet. So now we take clear anyone just break immediately with the pack the tea. And guess what? They are free. It's all this kind of normally. But other states or other countries, they go send you invoice now.
Yes.
But say His Excellency's regime, the man of compassion, empathy. Now one place, everyone here say kata there anywhere. So you just say, no, not do that one. No, we just go there, pack and take one, clear out. But henceforth, make the people buy beam, or they build those rolling beam. When they buy them, they do what? They put up for inside their compound. If you fool, once waste manager come, they go press horn. You go yes, they come. They go carry you go roll your beam, come and they go turn out. They can't give it back. Now so they do it everywhere. Now I come and say reverse is the case. So now that one now we don't need to do. So we do everywhere.
Yeah, MD. I still can ask you again this question concerning this small house whether they built for dirty. If they plan, not find out whether they did the plan, whether they approve for them.
No.
You know they. Okay, now those areas when I don't bring them down, so how they will do their dirty before the dark of the
They will go buy.
On a set of people where they'll go check around.
Yes, now.
Whether they don't buy with it, they won't put dirty for.
They're not going to even put dirty for which you don't come out. All those small structure now.
No, I believe the fit carry put for road.
No. Our road team they outside now.
Okay, now that one I want.
No. Our enforcement team they're everywhere. Who do now? Mobile courts they go now. Can't they come for road? No. Mobile courts. Our road team resume 3 a.m. Even now, this week, by the grace of God, go finish. You want to do 2 shifts. You want to make 24 hours. 2 shifts, but currently now 3 a.m. Now we resume currently, but we want to make it 24 hours so that we go feel the do our work. Those people go feel they go come around 11 p.m. They come out, go feel the what, feel they catch them. So, but currently now 3 a.m. Now we they come out early in the morning. They go stay. We get what they call black spots. All those black spots, like I give one good example. Butcher by Mission Road, and black spots. You get one school when they before traffic light, we did decide. One of those beggars, they did.
Yes.
That place, they call them black spots. Thank you. What they call them black spots. Forest, we get 2 black spots for them. Then Okpebholo by first, that dancer junction, we call them black spot. So all those what they call black spots, so that money when they come out, they go position for all those areas because and there people they go, let's say they travel, they carry one big sack for their head early morning. Now they travel, many of them, and they say they go put for all those places what they call black spots. So we too that we don't ready for them. That early morning, and they say they don't want to sleep because of the tea. We too, we need to sleep again. So we follow them up. So in the other shift, the night shift, we'll start at the put up on my plans in place that this week, before the week will finish, we will start second shift. But we'll feel the kind they go court, all those people when they carry back for head, like say they travel, if they go put up for center of the road, if they go put up for strategic junction, what would they call black spot? So we are also
Mogoni Benin Market area, along the major road, between Lawani Junction and the traffic for Mission Road Junction. Lawani, people they sell fairly used clothes, they don't enter road. People they sell leaf, they don't enter road. Some people they bring tomatoes they offload, they don't enter road. Between 5, 6, 7, 8. How now they work out for that place? Now
another big wahala be that. They don't turn the road to market. That one when with the plan now to go work on. But first of all, I don't talk to my head of sanitation. So make they go, they talk to them. And today we just get that meeting. So one go, they go to exercise them, say, this place na road. And we don't turn the place to dump site. When I just say, you don't gather all their things, put them on the center of the road. And so me and my other sister agency, we tend to meet, if not possible this evening, it will be tomorrow evening. We will meet. We will see plan how we'll take work on that place. But we will first go to educate them. Let them know, yes, we will create a lot of awareness in that area. Let them know, see, this place is not road. Make them push inside. We don't want to say, we go follow marketing, we go to fight. We don't want that. This government, now government, when it get the people for heart. We don't want to do anything, we'll be like, say, the call they talk, say, this government, a week ago, no. We won't do the right thing. So the first one, the one go to tell them, sensitize them, the need to leave that road, to go inside, and that dirty, where they're supposed to put them. The guest space where they're supposed to put them inside the market, they don't go put them there. And the need for them to return back to the original plan. Say, maybe they go to put them for there, and that route may they come out. So we'll do that for like 1 week, 2 weeks, before we can go swing into action. At least everybody will know, yes, see, we tell them, just like this phone. Now, so everybody says, they're not here. Something we don't, they announce for radio. When we don't send circular since last, on the 3rd of February, now they say, you're not here. No, now you're here. These people, they want to do the right thing. But by the grace of God, the mechanism we don't put in place, it will help them do the right thing.
Okay, now I'm going to talk this last one before I come here. Dirty matter concern you well.
Yes.
And a dirty way not good. There get some dirty way that they manage. Get the one we not they manage at all. The dirty one I don't carry come up for here, Yama Road and the Country Home Road. Maybe the human be dirty and some kind of things where be say, they go for like these people they sell drugs and all that. Thank God say they among the forerunner of that
program
matter. Then now the people now do arrest those girls whether they call prostitution, ashawo, and these people they sell drugs. Majority of the number from this state. If it be so they give them go they sell them from this state. Though we don't know that. The ones who are arrest now don't carry them go court.
No, for our own part, it's a fourth
yes, since 19.
Yes, I will break that for you.
Yes.
See, able still they use our mobile court. I say court will they use.
Okay.
But migration, they work on their own. They get their own. So they take those people go their own side. And they work on them. Some of them they won't give them. They get this skills acquisition program too. They have to convert some of these people.
Yes.
So they go do. So they don't profile them. They work on them. But some of the people when be like say the defaulters when we catch, we don't really catch them going by court. Some don't they do community service. Some they find them. Court don't find some. Some don't they do community service. So we don't just leave them.
Okay.
We make sure say we follow law. We establish this board. We do the right thing. So by the grace of God, as I talk to you, so everything
they know
in
that.
accordance with the law. We don't go outside where they don't put for paper for us. So everything they in place.
This thing I want to do for here, Maso, and that control road, affect the businesses for that area.
No, I don't
You
know.
know, affect.
See, make I even tell you one thing. You know, observe, say, our youth, we don't lose them gradually. If you go that place, whether in the afternoon, whether in the morning, whether in the night, they're going to stop you. They don't kill you. They don't care about where you carry. They stop anybody. Healers, police want to even pass. They stop anybody. These people, they don't. They know they fear anything. No. They will say, if you go, say, which you want to buy? They will name all the drugs for you. For inside Jarui. They will name anything for you. Say, which you want to buy? Openly. Morning, afternoon, evening, they are there. You see also? So even me, see, anytime I pass that place, I ask myself a question. I say, man, why? How did you get here? So that is why I was praying seriously. Do election. Say, make His Excellency.
Make it win.
Make it win.
This one, our first project.
Yeah, this one. I know that we will bring sanity back to this place. Because we not get interest for all those things. If you see all of us now when you're back on that mission, no for the smoke. Let me say, just go do your private investigation. All of us. These are all decent people. No one they do all those drug wahala of a thing. So by the grace of God, let's come appoint people like say, people that when you get this kind of they don't be yama people. People when you get their rights of thinking, their mind they straight. You understand? So and by the grace of God, see the result they get now. Excellent, super, perfect result. Now they come out from all corners. So they touch my mind while they see those people. You go see somebody now, you go stand, you go sleep. No, they see this
now.
He stand up, but he sleep. We are losing our youth every day to this drug. So okay, they say the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Who with them?
You're not there.
They don't turn to, almost all of them don't turn to drug addict. So we cannot continue like this as a state. So now they call for points where I say no, let's do this. And because it was successful. Yes. And as I say, my joy now be say, do people they happy. Any person when you ask about that operation, they say how now, thank God. Then they say the wonder. See how this kind of thing enter this kind of place. OGROE. This kind of thing they happen here. So thank God, that's my greatest joy. See, at least the people when we do our for, they happy. Even the youth. Remember they say, good though. At least some of them they know they see where they go buy anything they go drink water now. It is sad. So by the grace of God, we are able to achieve that, and the state is what moving forward.
Now, I say, make I ask you, during the past government, all those people they sweep road, and the 18 local government they cover them, the 3 central they cover them, especially this city, by early morning they don't sweep. I first raised this issue during Obaseki government. Say all those one where they don't come out for night, can they sweep? I don't know whether I still continue now. So they can't sweep, reach that. So they sweep 3 o'clock for night. When I introduce the road sweepers, this in our government, then again, waiting do environmental sanitation where be say with the experience before.
Okay, now the past regime, now in council, the immediate past regime. But by the grace of God, the good news we I get for the people now be say, with the start and this month of March. This month of March, the last out of this month, we will start the normal every monthly sanitation, last of the month sanitation. We will start on this Saturday. So it has come to stay by the grace of God.
Which time now will give?
The same time.
The same time.
7 to 10.
7 to 10.
Yes.
Movement day?
No, there's no movement, no movement.
Better one.
Yes, so serious one, no movement. So yes, we don't. So and this week now, we won't begin the go from media house to media house.
Since
yes. Old the new media and the traditional media, TV and so on. So with the work card, all of them, they go tendency. And this Saturday, this last Saturday of this month, of March, now we will start. And again, sweepers on the everywhere. All the local government now. You know, so before when you say waste management board, it be like say the Inegbenehi city, and we talk about. But now this regime don't make that name. What did it really stand for? Now what they do now? Edo State Waste Management Board, not Benin City Waste Management Board. So now, as I talk to you, so we don't deploy sweepers to Edo Central. The 6 local governments in Edo North. In Edo North, we don't deploy sweepers go there. The 6 local governments in Edo North, we don't deploy sweepers go there. The 5 local governments in Edo Central, we don't deploy sweepers go there. So if you go your local government, sweepers there. Yes, so we don't cover the 18 local governments.
What of Edo South?
The same thing.
7 local governments.
No, yes, look at yes now. Yes now. Now so now Edo South now they cover. Now Edo South now they cover the whole thing before. Now when you say the waste management board, not even the whole Edo South too. Now just this 3 local government.
3 metro.
It sounds so. Now there really the people when
they concentrate on
Uredu, Bubawaka, and Ego. These 3 now you cover before. But by the grace of God, we don't expand down to the 18 local government. So they're there everywhere. So we won't make the 18 local government clean. And by the grace of God, the AGs, they also deal with us. We don't host stakeholders meeting. All of us stay in line together. Because to achieve this thing, don't believe those things waste management of Iduamo. All Hoggers, Hogger, that's the structure of the local government. We call them local government administration, Hogger. They are with us. All of us don't team up. Say, may we make Edo State the cleanest. Yeah, in line with His Excellency's vision to make Edo State the cleanest, healthiest, and most environmentally friendly.
Also, shine.
Yes.
Shine.
Yeah, make everybody shine, everywhere clean. When people come and say, it don't happen as people they come now, when they from the east they come. Once they reach that bypass, at the end they say, don't tell me this. And I say, no be that regime, this regime. So now talk less, do more. We know the lie many talk, but with the action, now they are ahead of us. So now waiting they go on with this.
Oh yeah, now make we give you 1 minute.
Okay.
Make you do small market concerning your board. Make you do small market for your board. If you get telephone number to give out in case of anything, make you tell Edo people whether they reach you. 1 minute.
My good people of Edo State, I bring on greetings from Edo State Waste Management Board. I come beg una, say make una join hand with the Waste Management Board. Make we make Edo State the cleanest. If una go that state, una see say, una go dey look the place, it go be like say na abroad. Everywhere clean. We won't make Edo State be like that. In fact, we won't make Edo State fine past some of those states where they go. So, and to achieve this one, now all of us go put our hands together. So I come beg una, make una join hand with us. All those dwarf who want to build for front of the house, all those small structure when they put the thing inside. Some na wood that they build down, some na block. I beg una, make una help us come out. And if una waste manager when you do in an area, if they know the work, I beg una come straight to us. I go drop our phone number now. Make una call us or make una come our office, come explain, say, come complain, say the waste manager when we give una, they know the work way. So that we will know how we take what sanction them. And again, this one are to my waste managers. We beg una, make una the service una clients. Una the go una zo. Una go the kind of the tea. Because if complaint they come, say they know the work, we go withdraw the license. So because and the power when the law give us, we that say who no do the work, we will do what? We will take your license back from you. So I beg una, and this message, and on behalf of LGAs, Hogger, now the big message come to give una. Make una work for una zone. Make una go the areas una supposed to carry the tea. At least we don't agree say twice a month. Now we do now. So I beg una, make una make sure so that they evacuate waste from household at least twice a week. And again, my Indo people, the slogan for this regime, for board, we call her we can do. See something, say something. Wait till you see something, say something. If you see somebody when he carry the tea, he took her from a motor to where I beg, make sure so you carry camera for that person. If you bring the evidence, come here. Now 30,000 will take compensate you, will give you. If you hold that kind of person, if you not, I will not say me you wanna begin drag go. If you don't see police when they nearby, beg, help us hand over to any security agency. With your video, we'll give you 30,000 naira to do it for all. We don't want to make anybody as you drink water finish, take a bottle water finish, or often a coke drink. you come dey throw am for road, we no want am for this state again. And you, when you go help us give us that information, like I said, na 30,000 naira na him we go do what, na him we go give you. So I beg all of una, make una join hands together with us, make we fight this fight together, make we fight this issue of dirty, make we comot dirty for this state. And they say cleanliness is what next to godliness. E go help you, e go help me. Malaria go comot for the state. All these yamayama small sickness, e go comot for the state, because some of these things na dirty na e dey cause am. So I beg una, make una join hand with us, make we do this one together. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lucky Inegbenehi, MD, Edo State Waste Management Board. You try well, you yarn well, you tell people well, you let them know. Waiting una don't do what many people never know, so now they do am. You don't let Edo people know, say, una they work, una not complain.
Yes.
Okpebholo they work, Okpebholo not complain. This one a government of Okpebholo, not to repair, not be to destroy. Yes. My people, we don't turn Gidigba for this place since we don't begin yarn, we don't yarn with Mr. Lucky Inegbenehi, we be oga pata use of body to chook for Waste Management Board. In the letter now they understand, say waste not be waiting person they keep. Now to clean your environment, now to make your compound clean, now to make your street clean. Now to enter your gutter, sugar come out, bring out the dirty matter where they there, throw away them come out. He can't even talk about the small houses where they build for dirty, say now illegal, it not supposed to be like that. Now go remember, say if better breeze, it blow. Those one where they use rod to do, you will pack the dirty people for a road. And they carry waka go all those areas today, go bring those things down, and so they go continue and they do them. So if you dey your house, ready to remove them and to go meet them, and how to bring waiting, they go they feed they put dirty. We they buy, some people they buy dirty can, some they buy sack. You get the one and they do them. But this one where they call the build house, they join house. Where you they live for firehouse, you build one small one for dirty where they affect government and the people. And they say no good. My people, I don't see the small work where they don't still do concerning this our women and our guys where they sell drugs. They don't choose body for that matter, they don't do them well. And they do people they see and say better breeze they pass the area. My name still remain the articulate patriot. All of una know say put it body for TMC News. Gidigba. Make una not forget say as we see him, now so we they talk him, we know they take blame. As we do here since anything when they talk, nobody will come out finish. You say I better edit that part come out. We know they hear again because we not put gun for your neck when you they talk. Whereby you can't tell us some more edit some part come out. Thank you very much.